Great day, everyone! This is Teacher Mary Carr, and welcome to EnglishReadingStarter5. It's another day to learn new interesting topic and to gain knowledge in this book, English Reading Starter 5. Learning new topic will give you knowledge about different things around you. So, join me in exploring English. Are you ready? Let's start. Today, we will discuss another topic under science. We will study Unit 12. Let's learn about this passage entitled Hurricane. Before that, let's look at the picture. You can see here a picture of a hurricane. So now, let's find out what is hurricane. I will read it for you, but first, I will read it slowly so you can get the correct pronunciation of the words here. And after that, you can join me in reading it again. So listen very carefully. Alright, I will start now. A hurricane is also called a tropical cyclone, typhoon, tropical storm, and so on. A hurricane is a violent storm. It makes strong winds and rain. How big is a hurricane? How fast is a hurricane? The average radius of a hurricane is from 207 miles to 414 miles. The speed of a hurricane is from at least 74 miles per hour to 195 miles per hour. And now, let's read it again, but faster than the first one. Let's begin. A hurricane is also called a tropical cyclone, typhoon, tropical storm, and so on. A hurricane is a violent storm. It makes strong winds and rain. How big is a hurricane? How fast is a hurricane? The average radius of a hurricane is from 207 miles to 414 miles. The speed of a hurricane is from at least 74 miles per hour to 195 miles per hour. Alright, I hope that you got the correct pronunciation of the words. If you have some time, try to read it again to enhance your ability in reading and speaking. So, after reading the passage, let's have an activity here and let's answer it together. So let's do this select true or false. In this part, we will find out if the sentence is true or false. It is true if the sentence is correct according to passage, and false if not. So let's start on number 1. A tropical storm is also called a hurricane. Is it true or false? The answer is yes, it's true. So let's see our proof. A hurricane is also called a tropical cyclone, typhoon, tropical storm, and so on. So you can also call it hurricane, tropical storm. How about number 2? A hurricane makes strong winds. Is it true or false? The answer is yes, it's true. So let's see. It makes strong winds and rain. Alright, and last number 3. The speed of a hurricane is 10 miles per hour. Is it true or false? The answer is correct. It's false. Why? Because the speed of a hurricane is from at least 74 miles per hour to 195 miles per hour. So 10 miles is not true. We've finished this activity, so now let's learn more vocabulary words. Let's look at this word to know. In this part, you can see here 8 different words, right? So I will read it for you, then repeat after me. These words will be useful in making your own sentences. I will start now. Hurricane, tropical, cyclone, typhoon, storm, violent, radius, and the last word, speed. Very good. So now we can move on to more to know. In this part, we will find out and study this word at least. We will find out its meaning in English. But before that, let's look at the examples here first. First one, you have to come at least an hour later. The second example is, at least you are not mean. We can see here different meaning from the first sentence to the second sentence. Let's find out the meaning on the first sentence. It means not less than an amount. How about on the second sentence? It means in any case and despite anything else. Alright, good. So, this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope that you learned a lot. So, if you want to learn more and want to develop your English skills, you are welcome to visit camplish.com. Again, this is Teacher Mary Carr, and see you in our next video. Bye!